Hey there, Korbanthians. This is Levi with Korbanth Sabers, and today we're taking a look at the AOTC4. It's an awesome saber with a nice chrome finish. Got Korbanth knob, bubble strip, LEDs, the works. So we're going to do a quick crash course on how to use this saber. Go ahead and find yourself the pommel and go ahead counterclockwise. Just take it off. Underneath you'll find a speaker. I like to get it off like this, or out rather. And then that'll reveal the nylon chassis. Here's our kill switch.
I will be the most powerful Jedi ever.
You can see we've got LEDs here. And then I want you guys to take note of the battery orientation. Positive over here, negative on the bottom. I also recommend that when you get this saber that you give it a full charge. That'll ensure the saber works optimally. So find these LEDs both on the chassis and the hilt. And it should slide straight on in. Find the track. There it is. So the buttons are here and here, located in the bubble strip. You can kind of see they're a little bit of a different color. This one is the auxiliary button.
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
This one is our ignition. All right. Here is the blade retention screw. You can kind of see it in here, right there. Go ahead, back it up enough so you can get it in. Slide your blade on in. And then tighten her up. And there it is. All right, that about sums up this guide. Thanks for joining us, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.